In this video about quick steps, you will learn what are quick steps, how to use quick steps to be more efficient, and how to create your own quick steps. Welcome to this video. My name is Jeff Spencer, Director of Operations for the Home Furnishings Association. And while this video was developed for internal company training, you may find it useful in your business too. So let's jump right in. The best way to start is by answering the question, what are quick steps? In short, quick steps are one-button activated automated processes. Think of quick steps as similar to rules, but you manually activate them on demand when you need them, whereas rules, covered in a separate video, are processed automatically as messages come in. Quick steps can be as simple as one-step actions or complicated multiple-step processes. When are quick steps useful or appropriate? Do you have tasks in Outlook that you find yourself doing over and over again? Quick steps make life easier. Here are some examples. Dragging and dropping emails of a standard topic into a specific folder. Replying to emails with a standard response without having to manually type that response every time. Initiate team or group emails. Mark a message for follow-up or as completed. Do you categorize your messages? Constantly unsubscribing to junk mail. With quick steps, you can trigger standard automation sequences on demand to free up your time and help eliminate entry error. Here are a few live examples that I use in my everyday work life. On the top ribbon, you will see that I have my quick steps set up. A couple of quick steps that I use are for processing invoice emails or HR-related emails, and it allows me to move an email to a specific folder. In this case, I have an invoice that was sent to me by a vendor. I've processed it. With one click, I have moved it to a specific folder down in my folder list. Same thing with HR-related emails. Another quick step that I use regularly is an order acknowledgement. After opening the email and processing it, I click the quick step and it initiates a two-step process. After waiting 1 minute, it sends a reply all with specific text stating that the order has been received and is in process. Then it moves the email to a processed order folder. I also regularly generate team emails. So instead of having to open a blank email and populate the to-line and the subject line, I've set up a quick step that pops up with a pre-filled out email template for me. Note that you can launch quick steps from your main inbox screen or from within individual message itself. Some quick steps can be activated on groups of messages, like sending a group of messages to a particular folder. Others cannot, like replying or forwarding messages. Those have to be done one at a time. Let's create a simple quick step that includes a couple of actions. A great one to create to see how this works is a quick step to deal with junk mail. From the toolbar, hit the little pull-out arrow at the bottom right corner of the Quick Steps ribbon. This opens the Manage Quick Step window. From here you can modify existing quick steps or create new ones. You can also set the order in which they are displayed in your ribbon. Let's create a new one by clicking New. In this instance, we will be selecting Custom to create a quick step from scratch. To create our quick step, we're going to go ahead and give it a name of Unsubscribe. Then we're going to pick our first action, which will be Reply All, and we are going to expand the Options button and complete the subject line by adding the word Unsubscribe to the front of it. And then in the text section, which will be the body of the reply email, we're going to put a quick message requesting to unsubscribe. Then you click the Add Action button to add another step to this process, where we are going to flag it to delete this message at the end of the process. And then click Finish. And as you can see, the new Unsubscribe quick step is at the top of our list of quick steps, and of course we can put it in whatever order we wish. Now let's put our new quick step into action. As you can see, I have in my demo folder a junk email that I'm going to unsubscribe to. To run the quick step, I can simply click on the message to highlight it, and then press the unsubscribe quick step that we just created up in the quick steps along the ribbon. And done. The system automatically replied with an unsubscribe request and then deleted the email. That's it. Now it's your turn to get into Quick Steps and set up some efficiency tools to make your workflow quicker and more accurate. Thank you for watching, and I hope this information was useful to your business. Feel free to leave your comments below and tell us what you think. To view other training videos, explore or subscribe to this channel for updates as new videos are released. And of course, to contact the Home Furnishings Association, visit our website at myhfa.org.